In this video, you will learn how to create an account on PayPal without a passport. You can create an account on PayPal without a passport, as PayPal typically does not require one for your account creation. Here's how to do it. First, go to the PayPal Apple website, then download the PayPal app from the Apple App Store or Google Play Store. Now, you will see that you want to create a personal or business account. Select the one that suits you best. You will need personal if it's typically fine for most users. You'll need to provide your email and create a secure password for your account. Next, PayPal will ask for your name, phone number, address and other basic details. You do not need a passport for this step. Make sure the information matches with your identification, if correct. To verify your identity and make payments, you will need to link a bank account or debit card to your PayPal account. This step does not require a passport. For bank verification, you may need to enter your bank account number, routing number, or use your online banking feature to confirm. If needed, in some cases, PayPal may require additional information to confirm your identity. This could involve a government-issued ID or utility bills or other proof of address. Finally, once you've entered your information and linked your PayPal method, then follow the prompts to finalize your PayPal account setup and make sure the payment method works. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.